Good day, sir. Welcome to Hyatt Restaurant. My name is Cristela Candosa, and I will be your sommelier for today. May I know who is the host today?
Me.
May I present to you our wine selection? Please let me know if you are ready to order. Excuse me, sir. If you are ready, may I take your order now?
I think we'd like to have red one tonight.
Well, I'll be back and prepare your order now. Excuse me, sir. Here is your order. This May red wine, 100% sparkling and red grapes juice, non-alcoholic, made from Binondo, Manila, Philippines. May I confirm if this is your order?
Yes.
Go.
Shall I open the bottle for you?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, I will now open the wine. Allow me to present the cork.
Yes. Ma'am, please pour me a small amount for tasting.
Yes, sir, sure.
Wow, it's delicious.
Is the wine acceptable, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. Now I will serve the wine. Please enjoy your wine. If you need any assistance, freely to call me. Thank you and enjoy your evening, sir.